Happiness again is a side effect of giving happiness to someone else. You seek your own happiness, you're not going to get it. Make someone else happy, so happy. So these are all side effects. जो real things of value in life में हमारे, they are all side effects. They are not things that we really are. Even happiness is one of the things that we all pursue. It is a side effect of making someone else happy. आप किसी खुश कर दो, आप अपनी खुशी पीछे भागो, आप खुश नहीं होंगे. Simple. Life is always side effect. And STD doesn't matter. Two things you have to remember.
निर्वाण के बारे में बताया, लेकिन निर्वाण पाने के लिए सब क्या करना जरूरी है? सब कुछ छोड़ना जरूरी है?
आग लगी होनी चाहिए पीछे, बस कुछ नहीं छोड़ना. थिंक इज कि once your mind is fixed on that, यार मुझे the truth चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
मेडिटेशन या
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मैं 5 मिनट भी बैठ नहीं सकता आंखें बंद करके. But 24 hours I was meditating. In the sense, every moment of my mind, it was in my mind. Like क्या? खा रहा हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ, सो रहा हूँ. I was still studying in medical college. शादी हुई, बच्चे. Still thinking, what is behind it? That is a 24-hour meditation. When your mind is fixed on only one goal. And it took me. I was 19 when I started. I was 36 when I got it. 17 years. I was a slow seeker. Average 12-15 साल मिल जाती. But age of 30.
सर हमको ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि हम कौन से लेवल ऑफ अवेयरनेस पे हैं, कैसे उसका awareness?
There is, I think, just you got it or you haven't got it. Stages नहीं है. And when you get it, you don't get it partly. You get the whole. It's all or none phenomenon. And you get it or you don't get it. So, okay.
Sir, अभी I'm just guessing this. आज we are lucky to meet you today. So at least we get to know that where we are. But आगे ऐसे भी लोग शायद मिलेंगे that will make you realize more and more about your awareness. What's your experience?
नहीं, इसमें ऐसा है कि एक तो ये है कि there is, once you get it, there is a definite sense of completion and a sense of which tells you that you got it. ठीक है, minor effect आप सोचो, you can deceive yourself. See, there are so many ways to deceive yourself. बैठे बहुत लोग बैठे हैं, वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बनाने वाले. यार मेरा कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी लो, मेरा लिम्का पी लो, मेरा ऑरेंज पी लो, मेरा ये पी लो, वो तसल्ली मिल जाएगी. हर रंग का ड्रिंक बैठा है. मैं कहता हूँ नहीं, थर्स्ट होनी चाहिए. कुआं खुद खोदोगे, प्यास अपनी तभी बुझेगी जब आपको पानी खुद मिलेगा. और जब वो बुझती है प्यास, आपको पता चलता है कि प्यास बुझती है. Then it stops. Basically that it's खत्म हो जाता है. Then there is no further seeking. The moment you get it, you know that there's nothing more. There's nothing. But it is an experience. We cannot. It's just a side effect. I can't exactly say exactly what it is that you experience. But once you get it, there's no doubt about it that you got it. ठीक है. Then there are different ways of describing it. उसके मुझे तो that was in 1996. 18 years हो गए. कितने years हो गए? है ना? 18 years कैसे हो गए? उसके बाद I just been thinking कि हुआ क्या? वो तो क्या तो हुआ क्या? क्यों हुआ? कैसे हुआ? And being a doctor, I'm right on to neurology, neurology, brain में क्या structures हुए, किस structure में क्या फर्क हुआ, क्या हुआ, मतलब all those things. I'm still researching on that, still writing it. तो and जितना जो मुझे निकल रहा है वही निकला कि भाई जो evolution proceed कर रही है, it is proceeding towards a certain goal. ठीक है? Twists and turns and buts आते रहते हैं. What has evolved basically is the neural tissue, the brain. Physical structure body की change होती रहती है, डायनासोर्स भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ. But what has gradually been evolving is the complexity of the brain. And where are you going to experience this? So gods, कई कहते हैं there's a God spot in the brain, there's this and that. This all popular जो magazine में चलता है. But definitely it has to occur in the brain. What happens in the brain is a phenomena where coherence, हम कहेंगे जैसे physical matter होता है, there's a coherence, condensation होती है, matter becomes coherent. तो वैसे ही वहाँ पे आपके सब कुछ becomes coherent. There's no disarray. जैसे laser beam होती है, light is all scattered around. The same light when it becomes a laser beam, it can cut through steel. तो वैसे होता है कि आपके जो thoughts हैं, they are all scattered around, and in that moment becomes focused, totally coherent light. वही चीज़ होती है. These are analogies which we can sort of say to describe it. Otherwise तो घूमिया घोड़ा I can't describe it exactly what it is. Just we can say कि हाँ ये ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा हो सकता है. One of the things.
Sir, I have been told by some masters that there are two ways. Either this is a sudden catastrophic event, or this can be a gradual process.
नहीं, ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस इस सेंस में कि ऐसी डिटैचमेंट सडनली अडॉप्शन नहीं होती. ग्रेजुअली व्हेन यू आर सीकिंग यू ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट गेटिंग डिप्रेस्ड. जब आपका गोल पेपर फिक्स्ड है, दोस थिंग्स स्टार्ट लूजिंग इंपॉर्टेंस. मनी की इंपॉर्टेंस कम हो जाती है, उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस कम हो जाती है. थिंग्स स्टार्ट लूजिंग इंपॉर्टेंस. बट यू स्टिल नॉट टोटली इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम देम, बट दे स्टार्ट लूजिंग इंपॉर्टेंस. You start becoming more peaceful, you start becoming more loving, you start taking more care of people. But that involves effort. There's an effort to believe, there's an effort to be loving. And after that, it's all effortless. It's all spontaneous. इतना effort होता है, there are efforts, we are making efforts, ठीक है ना? In fact, अच्छा है अगर suddenly किसी को मिल जाए तो पागल हो जाए.
Same thing happened with UG Krishnamurti. He had a catastrophic event. He forgot how to drive, how to eat. He had to be taken to the toilet because it was very sudden.
वो बहुत कैटास्ट्रोफिक हो जाता है.
Catastrophic हो गया. It was
रमन
accident.
महर्षि को ये हुआ.
उनको भी ऐसे हुआ.
Suddenly he experienced death and he went to that hill and he didn't speak for years and years and years. I think he never spoke. One hour like that, just his expression and his gestures and a few words. तो वही है कि ठीक है, preparation makes you at least, if nothing else, what I felt was कि इतने साल में पढ़ता रहा, सोचता रहा, करता रहा. What did I get ultimately? Just an understanding. Yes, this is what is happening. This is what has happened. Otherwise, होने को कभी हो सकता है, कैसे हो सकता है? Definitely preparation रखनी पड़ेगी. Preparation इस sense में कि अपने हो जाती है. When your goal is fixed somewhere else, छोटी-मोटी ठोकरें रास्ते में आती हैं, ये वो, you start ignoring them. You don't care for the small ups and downs in life, the small success or failures in life. They don't make a difference because your mind is fixed there. So जब तक वो clarity नहीं आएगी that I want that, फिर थोड़ी मुश्किल आता है. Then you can get really कोई उधर बुला लेगा, जैसे सिटी को जी वहाँ घूम गए, उधर भी तो आपकी वही नेक्स्ट है, nothing can distract you. So that is meditation. 24 hours on the go.
Sir, agar if I say that I want nirvana, so there is also I into it.
I and want.
I and
That's
I
the two
want.
words. There's I.
So
And
if
the
I
want.
set a goal, that is attached to my ego, right? So how should
It's sort of, basically it's not a goal. So I use the word itch.
Okay.
There's an itch to know the truth.
So that's not a desire.
Itch cannot. You don't desire कि मुझे itch हो जाए. You don't need an itch. You don't desire an itch. It just rises. क्योंकि दिमाग में खुद पड़ती है कि कीड़ा पड़ता है, कुछ भी करो. There is an itch. I use the word itch definitely deliberately because other words then get misinterpreted. So if I the way the divine want or the divine desire, Brahma की desire कहाँ से आएगी? Brahma का desire होगी, want and nothing. This is just an itch to know itself. To experience, knowing again is a different word. Experience itself. Knowledge circles Brahma. He knows everything about himself, but he has not experienced himself according to that knowledge. There are 2 or 3. जैसे एक theory है कि एक scientist है. She is shut into a black and white room, and she knows everything about the wavelength of light, the wavelength of red color, and everything about red color, but she's never seen a red color. So knowing everything about something, कि ये इतनी wavelength light होती है, ये होता है, वो होता है, and this is red, but unless you've seen it, and once you've seen it, you don't need any of these theories. कि what is wavelength, what is that? You experience it. So experience is very very different from knowing about something. आपको कौन सी यार इसकी रेसिपी ये है, ये खाना ऐसे से बन के ऐसे से बन के ऐसे से टेस्ट निकलेगा, but unless you tasted it, and once you tasted it, you don't want to know कि यार क्या स्वाद आ गया, मस्त है. So experience and knowledge, totally different things. But हाँ, if you have experience, you have knowledge also. But you can have knowledge without experience. And the itch for experience is what sort of drives you on. Itch होती है. अब वो word itch पे again is something we associate with our physical body.
So can you say that when the itch stops one sweet day because of anything, then you know that you have reached home, you reached the center?
If the itch is जैसे thirst से बोलते हैं, प्यास अगर बुझ गई तो आपको पता मिल गई.
प्यास खत्म हो गई, अपनी हेडेक खत्म हो गई, बात खत्म हो गई.
कि हम प्यास बुझाने कई तरीके करते हैं ना, हम कहेंगे यहाँ पे लिम्का पी लिया, थम्स अप पी लिया, तो प्यास फिर भी नहीं बुझती. जिस चीज की प्यास है, जब तक वो प्यास नहीं बुझेगी, जब तक वो चीज नहीं मिलेगी. इनफैक्ट आई डिडंट इवन नो आई वाज सीकिंग निर्वाण. व्हाट आई वाज सीकिंग वाज कि यार लाइफ के पीछे है क्या, ट्रूथ क्या लाइफ में, ठीक है. जब मिला तो मुझे पता लगा यार इसको निर्वाण कहते हैं. मैं कोई रिलीजियस बुक नहीं पढ़ी थी, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि निर्वाण क्या होता है, कैसा है. These words were totally alien to me. ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा, these words were, I should laugh at these words. क्या यार ब्रह्मा तुम्हारी बातें करते हैं. मुझे तो सही. Then when I got it, then I said, हाँ, this is what they're describing. They're using the word Brahma for that thing. They're using the word Nirvana for that thing. I was not seeking any of these things. ये life का truth क्या है?